a Kirkmayer Hypochlorous acid, HOCl, generator is an excellent fit for the greenhouse industry because it provides a safe, low-cost, on-demand disinfectant that protects crops, people, and infrastructure while cutting chemical and labor expenses. Here are 10 tailored reasons why it makes a strong investment for greenhouse operations. 1. Superior pathogen control in tight spaces. 2. On-site, low-cost disinfectant production. 3. Protects irrigation and hydroponic systems. 4. Non-toxic and food-safe for workers and consumers. 5. Environmentally friendly and residue-free. 6. Reduces dependence on conventional pesticides. 7. Protects infrastructure and extends asset life. 8. Improves labor safety and reduces PPE burden. 9. Versatile application across greenhouse operations. 10. Fast ROI and long-term operational savings. Grow smarter, not harder. Cut costs without compromising crop performance. For greenhouse growers, this means reducing your inputs and not your outputs. Kirkmayer stands for efficient disinfection that lowers costs and keeps yields high. You can now make your own broad-spectrum antimicrobial hypochlorous acid disinfectant on-site and on demand, saving you thousands. The savings goes right to your bottom line. Invest in a Kirkmayer ECA electrolyzed water generator, producing pure hypochlorous acid with unmatched efficiency, purity, and scalability. Always fresh and always available. Inquire today and call your local Kirkmayer representative.
Thank you for taking the time to view our video. If you would like more information about our technology, please visit our website at kirkmeyercanada.com. Perhaps you may know someone that our technology may be of interest. We would appreciate if you would share your findings. Again, thank you from Kirkmayer Canada.